Good morning, guys. Welcome to another episode of Car Talk. Today, I'm going to talk about something that happened to me today and is something I get asked commonly as a personal trainer, and that is, how do you get through days where you don't feel like working out? And today was a perfect example of that. I'm waking up at 5 o'clock on my days off, I should say, with school, to train clients, and then on the days that I work for my internship, I basically wake up at 5 o'clock, and I only get one day off a week, and that's Sunday. And of course, because I haven't got to do anything on my own time, I love to get up early and start working on stuff on Sundays. So much like everybody else in the world that's a hustler, I got shit to do and I don't have a lot of time. And sometimes that weighs on me heavily. And today when I went to work out, I did not feel like being there at all. From the moment I got up, after I had my coffee, to the drive there, to walking in the door. I had intestinal issues this morning because I donated plasma yesterday to pay for some bills. Nothing had worked out today at all. But I still worked out. And so here are my tips as somebody who's worked out now for, my entire life, but worked out in the gym for about 16 years. Here's what I do. On the days that I don't feel like being there, do not push yourself unless you start to get into that groove. So there will be days where you go in and you don't feel good, and then all of a sudden you start working out and you're fine. Like you're good to go. You might have just been a little lethargic to go in there. But more often than not, you just physically aren't there. And there's just too many things weighing down on you. Like you just didn't get the right sleep, or maybe you didn't recover good from the workout the day before, or maybe you donated plasma, and all these things are adding up. But you're just fatigued. So on those days, what I do is I lighten the load. I don't push myself too hard. I still go through the workout. I might do higher repetition, just depending on what I'm doing. And I don't really stick to my normal workout plan. I love regimented workout plans and I love getting that consistency, but I'm gonna tell you something, it's better to be off your workout plan for a day than it is to go in there and injure yourself trying to do heavy squats because it's on your workout program. So people that are really, really advanced lifters that have been doing it for a long time will tell you that on the days that you don't feel good, your body will tell you. And if they've ever had an injury before, it's usually on those days when they thought they could just push through it and they actually injured themselves, and that's not worth it to you. I'm speaking more towards the beginner lifters. That's kind of the audience that I'm trying to speak to with these little podcasts. So take my advice, just lighten it up a little bit. If your stomach's not feeling that great, don't do anything too crazy like I did today. I still got through a great workout, but trust me, I did not do what was on my plan that I've been doing for 3 months and following. It just wasn't one of those days where it was a good idea. As always, if you have any questions, these are new videos and I haven't got a lot of response from it, but as people start asking more questions, I will do video topics on stuff that you are wanting to know about. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Any comment is good on YouTube, so please leave me some comments, subscribe. I've got tons of other videos, tutorial videos. These are just to talk to you and give you more of my personality and how I feel about it. Again, look forward to hearing from you. Have an awesome day.